go. Level up together. So should you buy XRP or not? So as you can see, XRP right now is at about $1.36 as I'm recording this. Um, it's at $1.36, and what I recommend is that let me say this first. This is not financial advice, and there's a disclaimer. This is not I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research before you make any financial decision. So, as I was saying regarding XRP, right? Um, Currently, as I'm recording this, is at about a $1.36, and as you guys can see, it went down from where it was before. Um, where it was. Let me see where it was. So about a month ago, it was over $2 or so. So what I would say is that is if you're gonna get XRP now, you could, um, you could kind of average in. So if you buy it at this price and it goes lower, you could get it potentially, could averaging the amount that you have. Also, if you look at the history of XRP, right, you can see that the highest at one of the highest point it was about uh, let's double check it here. It was at about over $3 or so, and to about $3.42, over $3, right? And now it's at 136. And before that, it was at about 50 cent or 51 cent. So as you can see, these things sometimes go down and go back up. So if I recommend just having money that you don't need right now, that you're not gonna necessarily use. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Let's level up together. Let's go. You only want to risk money that you're willing to lose, not money that you need currently. So if XRP, if you buy it in right now and you keep, buying it up and it goes up significantly, you could make a decent amount of money, right? But if you don't buy and it shoots back up, then I guess you wouldn't be making money, make the gains from that. What I'm saying is, remember, guys, like, share, and subscribe. Let's live up together. Let's go. Is to just only risk money that you're willing to lose, not put money that you need right now, right? So it's more like a longer term kind of, you know, buy than a shorter term. So as I said before, it was about 50 or 51 cent, and then it went up to over $3 and change, and the potential of it going back up can potentially go up, as you can see. Similar with Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin went down went down before to about, it went up to about 60,000 before, and then it went down to about 20,000 or lower, and then it went back up, and as you can see, it went up to over 100, about $120,000, and now it went back down, and it's about, right currently as I'm recording this, it's up at about 66,000 or so. So a potential of going up is a potential upside, right? But as I said, remember, like, share, and subscribe, guys. Let's level up together. Let's go. We want to make sure we are risking money that we are willing to lose, not money that we need right now. These can be more of like a long-term play. So we want to make sure that we having our right risk management, and we don't want to spend money that we may need right now, right? Remember, guys, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go. Let me know if you guys have gotten XRP or Bitcoin or any of those cryptocurrency. Let me know in the chat. So you can see a lot of things with as it relates to when it comes to XRP, right? It was, as I said, about 50 cent, 51 cent or so, and it went up to over $3. Now it came down a little, um, and it could go back up. Even if it goes down a little bit, you know, if you buy it, you could still get some, cost average back. You could cost average down, and just you, if it goes up, then you could make a decent amount of money. But as I said, only want to risk money that you're willing to lose, not money that you need currently. You want to have a long-term play for this. Let's go, guys. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Let's level up together. Let's go. So right now, as I said, it's about XRP is at about $1.36, and as I'm recording this, so you have a chance of going lower or going higher. Either way, you could call dollar cost. You could average in, and if it goes up, you can make money from it. And as I said, only we're gonna only risk money that we're willing to lose, not money that we need right now. Let me know in the chat if you guys are doing any research, and you're looking into these coins, cryptocurrency, and stuff like that. Let me know in the chat. Remember, guys, like, share, and subscribe. Let's level up together. Let's go. Let me see. So yeah, guys. So definitely want to make sure we do our due diligence. Make sure we're looking into these things before we making a financial decision like this. Do our own, do some research, fundamental analysis, all those good things. So we're making the right decision, having the proper risk management, so we're not putting money that we need right now at risk, especially without proper risk management. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. Let's go. Let me know, guys, if you want to be a part of a community where we talk about things like this and share value to help with investing and all those good things, to make your money make money and start generational wealth. Let's go. You want to drop it in the chat, guys, if you'd be interested. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. Welcome to the video. Let's go. You guys buying any crypto right now, any Bitcoin, XRP, things like that? Let me know in the chat. Let's go. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. I said XRP right now is about $1.36 as I'm recording this, and if it goes down, you could call it dollar cost average. You could average in. If it goes up, if it goes up, you could make money, but only want to risk money that we're willing to lose right now, not money that we need right now. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. Let's level up together. Let's go. All right, guys. So with that being said, like, share, and subscribe. Let's level up together. And remember, it's glory, peace. Let's go.